Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are talking about the DJI CrystalSky monitor, and specifically we are talking about the last update because there's some things you need to know. The version we're talking about in this is version 0203.0000, and there is some interesting changes that DJI have added. We're also going to talk about the pilot app in another video, and if you're interested in knowing about local data mode, this is something DJI have added. I'm actually going to put a separate video out for that one, so go and have a look. So this update was released on the 20th of the 9th, and it adds a couple of things. First of all, it adds Spark support, which is welcome now, although it did work before. It's officially got it. They've done some bug fixes, and the big addition is the ability to update the Go apps independently of the Android image. So up until this firmware version, the Go apps were updated as part of the whole system image. So you couldn't update just the app. Now DJI have added the facility to update the app on its own without affecting the whole system image. Now the advantages to that is you don't have to go through that whole process. Also, it means we should see the app updates come a bit more frequent, because as it stands today, CrystalSky does run an app which is a couple of versions back. Now, even though they've added this feature, they haven't fully implemented it yet, but hopefully very soon they will have it, so you can just update the Go app and you will get the latest app on your CrystalSky the same time as the guys on Android and the guys on iOS get it, basically. So let's have a look how you update the app. Okay, so to update the app independently of the system image, with this update, DJI have added in this feature which will poll the server. It will pop up and tell you if there is an app update available, but you can also go in and check this manually. To do this, you open DJI Go 4 or Go. It's the same process in both of them. Wait for it to go to the landing page. We go down into Me at the bottom down here. Click on Me. We then go down to Settings. And in here you have an option called Check for Update. So you can click that and it will check on DJI servers if there's an update for the DJI Go app for the CrystalSky. Now it is worth noting that you cannot download the Android version of DJI Go and install it onto the CrystalSky. It does run a slightly different version, a slightly dedicated version. So at the moment, what DJI have been doing is releasing the update for CrystalSky as one system image, but that tends to have been a few versions back on the Go app. Hopefully with this, what it will mean is we will get the app updates closer to the time that they are released on Android and iOS. So although the CrystalSky does run Android, you cannot install the public available Android app. The update process is the same for both Go and Go 4. You can also update the pilot app via the same method. So if we open the pilot app, wait for that to go to the landing page, and then click the three lines in the top corner, and you've then got check for update, and it will update from there. Again, it should prompt you to update the app once it detects it when you go onto Wi-Fi. What you cannot do though currently is update it via SD card. It is only via the online connection to download the app. A couple of other things DJI have introduced in the later firmware is the flip screen option. This is mostly for the Mavic Pro and the DJI Spark. As I said, they have introduced Spark support with the last update, and it allows you to flip the screen 180 degrees. So when you are using it with the DJI dedicated bracket, you can then see it the correct orientation. The only downside to this flip is that it is not persistent, so it does not remain if you power off and power back on the CrystalSky. You will have to tell it to flip again. So if you are using it all of the time with those devices, every time you power it up, you would actually have to come into the quick menu screen and click flip screen. It's not a great difficult thing to do, but it is a slight annoyance for some. As part of this update, DJI have done a few other bug fixes as well, which just makes it overall a bit more stable. Other than that, that is about it with these last few updates. The CrystalSky is a really good device. I do like using it. Again, at the moment, you can't use it with third-party apps. I do still have a hope there may be some light at the end of the tunnel on that at some point. But as it stands today, you are still stuck with the DJI Go, and the Pilot app for the M series of devices. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel. It is growing, and I do appreciate all the comments, so please leave feedback in the video as well. I will try and respond. If you've got any questions, post them in the description for the video, and I will also try and answer them there for you. Thank you very much for watching.